Attractive people do it differently, and it has nothing to do with beauty. If you've ever seen someone who isn't perfect, but still catches everyone's eye, there's a secret behind it. And today, I'm going to show you what they are. Most people think being attractive has to do with physical beauty. But actually, what really matters is presence and energy. The way you move, speak, and look has a huge impact, and anyone can improve this. Before any words, your body has already said it all. Attractive people have an open and aligned posture. Imagine walking into a place with slumped shoulders and your head down versus walking in upright with a slight smile. Which version seems more confident? Want to practice? Stand in front of the mirror and practice open posture for 2 minutes before going out. The way you speak completely changes how others perceive you. Speaking too fast or ending sentences with a high pitch sounds like hesitation. Speak slowly and with a firm intonation. This makes every word carry weight. If you look away all the time, you convey insecurity. But don't overdo it either. The ideal balance is to maintain eye contact 60% of the time. When someone speaks, try to hold their gaze for 2 seconds before responding. This creates an instant connection. Now you know the secret of attractive people. It's not about beauty, but about how you express yourself to the world. Try these 3 techniques today and tell me in the comments which one made the biggest difference for you.